Hello everyone, and welcome. In this video, we'll take a more in-depth look at Ember AI, including how to set up custom buttons and assign URL links, as well as the key differences between the light and full versions. By the end, you'll have everything you need to confidently get started using Ember AI today. The first step is to organize your workspace. Begin by adjusting your video editor layout to suit your preferences. Then, position and resize the Ember AI components to create an efficient and personalized workflow. The button panel is fully flexible. It can be resized and repositioned anywhere on the screen. Whether you prefer the buttons at the top or bottom depends on your editing environment and personal preference. Take a moment to configure the layout in a way that works best for you. Next, click the Image button to open the Ember AI panel. From here, you can reposition and resize the panel to suit your workflow. You might choose to set it to full screen for maximum visibility, or dock it in a way that seamlessly integrates with your video editor's interface, whichever setup works best for your editing style. Repeat the same process with the Storyboard panel. Open it. Then adjust its position and size to best fit your workspace. You can dock it alongside your editor or place it in a dedicated area for easy access while planning and assembling your project. Now, let's take a closer look at the Storyboard button, which we just resized. If you watched our previous demonstration video, you'll recall how we use the Storyboard to visually plan and organize our project. The Storyboard allows you to paste in dialogue and prompts for image and video generation, helping you maintain a clear narrative structure. Once images are generated, you can drag and drop them into the Storyboard to keep track of each scene. From there, you can easily drag them directly into your video generation model, streamlining the creative process from planning to production. Next is the Media button, which toggles the visibility of your media pool. This allows you to show or hide the media panel as needed, making it easy to access any content beneath it or to declutter your workspace while editing. Next is the Launch button, which opens the launch window. Here you can add shortcuts to any applications you'd like to access directly from within Ember AI. For example, I've added a shortcut to DaVinci Resolve for quick access to my video editor, and Comfy UI, which can be launched in the background to power AI functionality, particularly when using the AI button in the full version of Ember AI. In the full version of Ember AI, you'll also find access to the Install folder, which is used to set up all required models and workflows. Additionally, you'll see two key directories, Media and Output. The Output folder stores everything generated by Comfy UI, as well as any media downloaded through integrated web tools. When you click the Import button, selected files are copied from the Output folder into the Media folder for active use in your project. If you accidentally skip importing a file or want to revisit earlier generations, you can simply return to the Output folder to retrieve the content. Now, let's walk through how to set up your buttons with the appropriate URLs, as well as how to add new custom buttons to the Ember AI launcher for quick access to your favorite tools and platforms. Right-click on the square icon featuring the AI emblem. A context menu will appear with options such as Close and Settings. Click on Settings to open the Settings panel. In the Settings menu, you'll see a list of all external programmable buttons. If you're using the full version of Ember AI, the first button listed will be the AI button, which is pre-configured to launch Comfy UI by default. The second button is the Image button, which is automatically set to open mid-journey. Each of these buttons can be customized to launch any URL or application you choose. You can also assign multiple URLs to a single button, allowing you to launch several tools from one location. For example, if you'd like to add another image site as a secondary option under the Image AI button, simply navigate to the website, copy the full URL, ensuring it includes HTTPS, and prepare to add it to the button's configuration. Now, simply paste the copied URL directly beneath the first URL in the button's configuration field. Press Save, then Close. To apply the changes, you'll need to restart Ember AI. Instead of minimizing all open windows, simply click the Launch button and navigate to your Ember AI folder. Then, right-click the AI emblem button and select Close to properly shut down the previous session. This ensures that your new button settings take effect when the application restarts. Now, if we right-click the Image button, you'll see the list of assigned URLs. The currently selected URL will appear slightly highlighted. To switch, simply click on the alternative URL from the list, then click the Image button to launch the newly selected URL. You can switch between URLs at any time, and you're free to add as many additional URLs as needed, making it easy to toggle between multiple tools or platforms from a single button. Let's create a new custom button. In this example, we'll set up a script button that launches ChatGPT. Start by visiting the ChatGPT website in your browser and copying the full URL, making sure it includes HTTPS. Next, locate the next available external button in the list. Check the box next to the URL field to enable it. Then, enter a name for the button. This will serve as the button's label, and paste the ChatGPT URL into the URL field. Finally, restart Ember AI as we did previously to apply the changes and activate the new button. Now, when you click the script button, it will launch ChatGPT in your default browser, providing quick access to AI-assisted scripting directly from Ember AI. That covers the basic setup for the Ember AI Lite version. You can assign URLs to any web-based tools, as well as external applications, provided they generate a URL when launched. Simply copy the desired URL and paste it into the appropriate field in the settings menu. To wrap up, we'll run a quick test by downloading a file from a web tool and verifying that it can be imported directly into the timeline using the import feature. After dragging a clip onto the timeline, you may notice that the Ember AI panel moves to the background. Instead of clicking another Ember AI button, which would close and relaunch the panel, you can simply re-maximize it by clicking its icon in the Windows taskbar. This brings the panel back to the foreground without restarting the application. Now, we'll shift our focus to the full version of the application and explore the use of Comfy UI in greater detail. If you're currently using the Lite version and are interested in upgrading or learning more about the additional features available in the full version, feel free to continue watching. From this point forward, all content covered will pertain specifically to the full version of Ember AI. Next, click the Launch button and navigate to the Install folder within the interface. This folder contains the tools and scripts necessary to install models and workflows for the full version of Ember AI. Please note that with the launch of Ember AI, the included models are full-featured versions. As a result, some of them may require a substantial amount of VRAM to run effectively. Be sure your system meets the necessary hardware requirements to ensure optimal performance. In the future, we plan to offer workflows that utilize quantized models, making them more lightweight and accessible for users with lower-spec systems. For users with lower-spec systems, we offer an alternative solution through Pinocchio in combination with WanGP, allowing you to generate content efficiently without the need for high VRAM requirements. WanGP offers a wide range of models optimized for lower-spec systems, including support for WAN, LTX video, and Hunyuan video. To help conserve storage space, models are not pre-installed. Instead, they are downloaded automatically upon first use. This ensures that only the models you need are stored on your system. Under the Guide tab, you'll find a detailed list of all available models, along with their VRAM requirements and recommended system specifications. This allows you to compare the model requirements with your graphics card to determine which models are compatible with your setup. Be sure to check out our dedicated Pinocchio installation video, where we provide a detailed walkthrough on how to install Pinocchio, configure custom buttons, and download WAN-GP for seamless integration with the Ember AI system. Please note that if you're using a lower-end system and need to rely on the WAN-GP method, it doesn't mean you're limited to only that workflow. You can still take advantage of the full range of comfy UI workflows included in Ember AI, such as photo generation, audio tools, and more, many of which are accessible even on modest hardware. Now, let's take a look at the workflows included in the starter Ember AI package. These pre-configured workflows are designed to help you get up and running quickly. First up is Frame Pack 2, an image-to-video model included in the Ember AI starter package. While it may not be the fastest option available, it stands out for its ability to generate longer video sequences compared to many other models. Next, we have LTX 9.5, which includes both image-to-video and text-to-video workflows. These models are among the fastest video generation tools available, offering rapid results ideal for quick iterations and previews. However, due to their speed, they tend to hallucinate more frequently and require more detailed prompting to achieve accurate and consistent results. To address this, we've integrated additional Florence guidance layers to help stabilize output and improve generation quality. We've also included LTX 9.7, a more advanced model with a significantly larger parameter set compared to LTX 9.5. This version offers greater accuracy and requires less detailed prompting, making it ideal for users seeking more reliable and coherent video output. While LTX 9.7 does take slightly longer to generate videos due to its complexity, the improved quality and reduced need for prompt refinement make it a strong choice for more polished results. For image generation, the Ember AI starter package includes both FluxDev and Stable Diffusion 3.5. These models provide a strong foundation for generating high-quality visuals, offering a balance between speed, flexibility, and output quality to support a wide range of creative projects. For audio generation, the Ember AI starter package includes a versatile suite of tools: Ace Step Music for background music composition, Chatterbox for AI-generated voiceovers and dialogue, and Audio for sound effects and ambient audio design. Together, these tools provide a comprehensive solution for enhancing your video projects with rich AI-generated audio. In this section, we'll demonstrate Chatterbox Voice Clone, a powerful and highly advanced tool for cloning voices with impressive accuracy. When you breathe with your diaphragm, it would sound something like this.
So I was working there, and then we had a client.
If you get this error, all you have to do is right-click the node and go down to Fixed Node.
When you breathe with your diaphragm, it would sound something like this. It wouldn't be very, very low. You need to get very close to the microphone.
Now, for fun, we'll reverse them. So I was working there, and then we had a client that came, and he offered for a drink, and I said, oh, you should try this one. And he said well, I would get anything that you sell me because you're so magical. As you can see, Chatterbox Voice Clone is an exceptionally powerful tool for creating realistic, high-quality voice clones, offering both precision and creative flexibility. Next, we'll demonstrate how to use Audio, a versatile tool for generating sound effects and ambient audio to enhance your video projects. The system has now generated sound effects based solely on the referenced video content. If you prefer not to include music in the output, you can simply add "no music" to the negative prompt. Additionally, you can use the positive prompt to specify particular sound effects you'd like to include, such as footsteps, ocean waves, or crowd noise, giving you more control over the final audio composition. Next, we'll explore Ace Step Music, a tool designed to generate custom background music for your videos. It creates original compositions based on your prompts or default settings, helping you enhance the mood and tone of your content with AI-generated music. In the prompt boxes, you can define both the style and lyrics of the music you'd like to generate. Whether you're aiming for a cinematic score, upbeat pop track, or custom vocal performance. That concludes our in-depth walkthrough of the Ember AI launcher. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, where we regularly share updates and tutorials on the latest AI tools and technologies. The Ember AI launcher is available through our Buy Me a Coffee subscription link provided below. Subscribers receive ongoing updates, new workflows, and exclusive content to help you get the most out of Ember AI. Thank you for watching.